Self-cleaning filter has a filtering accuracy ranging from 50 to 5,000 microns, a large filtering area, and a high pollutant capacity. The production process includes raw material steel plate rolling, self-cleaning filter welding, self-cleaning filter accessory assembly components, self-cleaning filter painting, self-cleaning filter pressure testing, self-cleaning filter packaging and warehousing. The working principle of self-cleaning filter: water enters the filter from the water inlet, first passing through the coarse filter element component to filter out larger particles of impurities, and then reaching the fine filter screen. After filtering out small particles of impurities through a fine filter, clean water is discharged from the outlet. During the filtering process, impurities in the inner layer of the fine filter gradually accumulate, forming a pressure difference on both sides. When this pressure difference reaches the preset value, the automatic cleaning process will begin. Self-cleaning filters are widely used in agricultural irrigation, raw water treatment, industrial circulating water filtration, cooling water treatment, paper-making industry, plastic industry, power industry, and other industries.